Have you ever pondered over the question, what does a typical breakfast in Nicaragua look like? Well, the answer is a delightful and hearty dish known as Gallo Pinto. This dish, which translates to spotted rooster, is a staple in Nicaraguan cuisine, and its name, intriguing as it is, reflects the speckled appearance of the dish. At its core, Gallo Pinto is a simple yet flavorful combination of rice and beans. These ingredients might sound quite basic, but the Nicaraguan culinary tradition transforms them into a gastronomic delight. The rice is typically long grain, cooked until it's tender and fluffy. The beans, usually of the red or black variety, are simmered to perfection, achieving a soft texture that melds beautifully with the rice. The magic of Gallo Pinto begins with the preparation. The rice and beans are not just mixed together. They are sautéed in a pan with finely chopped onions and bell peppers, which are first cooked until they are soft and aromatic. This step infuses the dish with a savory richness that is hard to resist. The rice and beans are added to the pan and stirred well, ensuring each grain and bean is coated with the flavorsome mixture. The dish is seasoned with salt, pepper, and a dash of cumin, then cooked until the ingredients meld harmoniously, creating a mouth-watering medley of textures and tastes. Often, Gallo Pinto is served with accompaniments such as eggs, cheese, or even a side of fried plantains. These additions add another layer of complexity to the dish, making each bite a unique experience. Now, you might be wondering about the significance of Gallo Pinto in Nicaraguan culture. Well, it's not just a breakfast dish. It's a symbol of national pride and a testament to the resourcefulness and creativity of Nicaraguan cooks. With its humble ingredients and complex flavors, Gallo Pinto embodies the spirit of Nicaraguan cuisine, simple yet profound. So, Gallo Pinto, a simple combination of rice and beans, is more than just a breakfast dish in Nicaragua. It's a culinary tradition, a symbol of national identity, and a delightful introduction to the flavors of Nicaragua. It's a reminder that sometimes the simplest ingredients can create the most unforgettable dishes.